right, buddy, remember they're in black and yellow down there today.
Black and yellow. Isn't there a song about that?
What kind of sandwich you get?
You got a beautiful peanut butter and jelly. It's really nice. And some sort of chocolate bar that was really tasty as well.
My question, Bob.
I didn't hear what you asked, no.
You know Noah built the ark. I was asking if you knew why he didn't fish a lot while he was on the ark.
No, I have no idea. I'm not even going to take the time to think about that right now.
He only had 2 worms, Bob. Okay, great. Might be better if I can't see, to be honest with you.
Hey, either we got a wheel coming off or just have a square tire on there.
Some of that tire carcass up in the fence, actually hanging in the fence. These poor guys, they can't climb the fence that high to get that.
That guy from Richmond when you need him.
Hey, Derry, it won't fire.
Just kidding.
Yeah, you're lucky. I can see the gauges still lit up right there.
Man, I just sneezed in my helmet. Couldn't get the lid up.
I don't know what the hell to choose from, and he did everything he could to wreck us there. So why don't you ask his spotter, Jason? That way I know if I gotta go break his nose or not.
Why is it that a chicken coop has only 2 doors? If it had 4 doors, it'd be a sedan. Man, a Snickers bar does sound pretty good right now.
Hey, you guys give me a cup of coffee or something on the next stop. It'd be nice, some hot chocolate.
You a little chilly, buddy?
Yeah, we, cold.
And forward, big guy.
I mean, I gotta clean the bottom of my foot off before I get in the car. My feet are stuck to the pedals.
We won the Coca-Cola 600.
Come down here and do that black clip.
Careful, that shoe might still be sticky.
I don't care if we race in the snow, but it's just a little questionable. I don't know, man. I'd say it's dry enough to race on. Windshield's pretty wet, and the crowd's on its feet in amazement at the blistering pace set by these speed demons and fearless racers.
Edwards takes the lead.
I would really like a snack cracker or something over here. I was thinking of maybe a Ritz or a sub sandwich, or maybe better yet, a Cheez-It. Cheez-Its would be the best, honestly.
Can you ask for a black flag on that? I mean, that's the earliest I've seen anybody go since me in Richmond.
I think I just broke the transmission. Yeah, it's broke.
Come back on that, buddy?
I was just giving you an April Fool's joke, but
Yeah. What you're going to do is kill me, and then you'll be on your own.
oh man, I gotta have some fun with it.
Matt said it was 100% his fault. He is sorry.
Yeah, it's no problem. We'll have fun. This has got to be wearing on Coach's humility.
Get a one at a time, bud.
You say one at a time?
One at a time, yes, I did.
That was pretty funny. Take that sandwich if it's possible. I'm gonna look pretty funny if I have to do interviews after this.
Why? Because all the food that's going to be all over you?
I specifically said peanut butter only. Peanut butter only. Maybe a little honey, but that jelly's pretty nasty. It's all over me.
How you doing in there, Hot Rod?
Doing great, man. Leading the race at Kansas. Take a drink, just some regular water and that medicine.
For a drink, regular water, and a Tums package.
Doesn't say much for my mom's cooking.
Caroline, I want to do the opposite of what we did last year.
So we started on
Top last time. Well, if that's the case, then let's take the bottom.
I don't know. I didn't write it down, but I thought we switched it up on there.
Do whatever you think. Take the bottom. Get $1 million here. It's pretty cool of Sprint to put this on.
A real nice job of managing that race car, bud. Taking care of it, I like it. Should be illegal to have this much fun, but
Yeah, no sweat. No problem. We haven't even started racing.
Not cool to get a race taken from you like that.
They're covering their damn ass because they told Jason that we were the fucking leader.
13 just dumped you. Nice if those guys would lift off of the throttle and kill somebody like that.
What are they doing?
Just being themselves.
Man, that's stupidity.
I knew we shouldn't have been up there. That was pretty dumb.
43, man. I mean, I was full on beside him, and he just rubbed me off in the dirt. I either wreck him or wreck us, you know what I mean?
Tell Matt, don't worry about me. Just do his thing. I'm not pissed off or anything.
Hanging on for dear life here.
Seemed to fight like dogs there that first few laps.
You got a gut feel on tires?
Boy, I have no feel, buddy. None.
I thought the 42 just was a little over-aggressive there.
Yeah, you were a little aggressive there too, buddy.
And I hope they let us race. They can't let it end like this. Pretty frustrated. Nothing we can do about it, so just hang in there.
Put some jets out here and or just throw the damn green flag. Let's race. It is not that wet.
Just stop, dude. Just stop. It's not going to do any good.
And I'm going to have to ask you for a little bit of help. You know, it is Valentine's Day, so I need a bottle of champagne to take back tonight.
All right, I hear you, man.
Hey, let's say 24 hours. Just need to calm down just a little bit. Oh, you okay?
Yeah, that one hurt. Damn, man. Give me a break. Who was that? 42. What an idiot. What an idiot. That's no good.
Thought I gave enough room.
Man, I'm sorry.
No, that's 100% me. It's our championship.
Try anything you want, Darian. I mean, we're just slow. I really am driving my guts out, and I just can't get the front to grip. Okay, let's take a little vote here. Anybody think they're not going to wreck again before the end of the race? Anybody think they're not going to wreck again? That's what I thought, so we'll just hang out.
Awesome. Unbelievable. We won!